Maaike from IJmuiden. It's in Hollanda, circa Amsterdam. This morning we woke up, we took an early flight to Barcelona. And then we went shopping for a couple of hours, had some lunch and everything. I took my brother with me to Barcelona.
Would recommend it?
Absolutely, I would recommend a trip to Barcelona to shop, to have lunch, to do great things.